Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I want to talk about 5 biggest mistakes that bookkeepers make when they're first starting out. They're in no particular order, and there are other mistakes that they can make, but here's 5 of them, okay? The first couple have to do with the actual client and handling the client. So when you're just starting out, client selection, you want to select clients that are easy. You don't want to select the hardest clients out there. They're not huge projects, not huge cleanup projects. Ideally, you can get into those types of clients as your first clients, and you will learn a lot, but they're not ideal. You want to kind of ramp up your knowledge and as you go along, and selecting easier clients to begin with and tapering up to a harder client will allow you to grow into your education. So think about easy clients. Service-based clients are really easy, like a pool cleaning service, or something like that that doesn't have a inventory, doesn't have a lot of things going on. It's just they receive money, they have a few transactions going out every month. So smaller client, and typically service-based clients are your easier clients. That's number 1, is your client selection. You want to be careful of the clients that you select. Not starting your bookkeeping business overwhelming yourself with difficult clients.